Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Pewdiepie. Today I have some very exciting news. I bought a new car. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it or not, but I saw a lot of my new car vlogs and I think they're really entertaining. And I think it's really inspiring how young YouTubers can afford with their first bit of earned money, buy a Lambo, buy a Ferrari, and I feel like now it's my turn to show off my sweet new ride. Let's go. Like my ride? Very nice. Got my new ride! It's a Nissan. It's got a V4 engine with extra clutches. It goes fast. That's what that means. You dumb bitch. These fucking rims ain't nothing you ever seen before. These tires are fucking hard. These tires, Korean. The strongest Korean band. Plays the radio, FM, AM, all the hertz and frequencies. I got them. This trick gets all the ladies wet. 1 sec. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm fucking talking about, bitch. I got a sick glove compartment. Fuck you. A lot of space in here. Michael, get in. Right. Fuck that bitch.
He's locked in. You fucking...
Michael, don't panic.
We can't get you out.
You're alive. Hey guys. Can I take your boyfriend for a ride?
Can if you want.
He's in. Alright, haters. Y'all can suck it. I got my bitch that you wish you had. And got the life you wish you lived. I'm about to take a ride on that highway to hell. Hey man, you want some bread? You want some bread? You want bread?
What do you feel me for?
You want the bread? Fuck you honking at. That's right.